They cling to isolated explanations. Perhaps today was different. Perhaps I misunderstood. Perhaps next time will be clearer. But clarity requires courage. Lucius did not confront Decimus immediately. He did something more subtle. He adjusted expectations. He stopped assuming alignment where none existed. He stopped over-investing in cooperative gestures. He reduced reliance on Decimus' timely response. In doing so, he removed the leverage that passive resistance had over his emotional state. Notice what changed. He did not accuse. He did not dramatize. He did not retaliate. He repositioned. The Stoic understands that when a pattern becomes chronic, the question shifts from "how do I feel about this?" to "what structural adjustment is required?" Emotion gives way to strategy. There is a lesson here that many resist. Sometimes the most powerful move is not confrontation, it is recalibration. If someone consistently communicates indirectly, you respond only to what is explicit. If someone consistently delays, you build timelines that do not depend solely on them. If someone consistently withholds clarity, you reduce your reliance on their clarity. This is not hostility. It is intelligent design. Epictetus taught that one must concern oneself with what lies within one's control. Another person's communication style is not within your control. Your positioning in response to it is. Lucius, having recalibrated, noticed something unexpected. The emotional tension that once consumed him diminished. Decimus' behavior continued, but it no longer destabilized him. Without emotional reaction, the subtle resistance lost its psychological edge. Eventually, Decimus attempted a more direct insinuation in council. Some leaders moved too quickly, perhaps without sufficient consultation. Lucius did not defend himself. He responded calmly. If there is a specific concern about a recent decision, I invite it openly. Silence followed. Not because Decimus was defeated, but because ambiguity had been deprived of oxygen. If you are listening to this and recognizing a pattern in your own life, perhaps in your workplace, your family, your partnerships, do not rush to anger. Do not rush to accusation. Observe. Is it isolated, or is it structural? And if it is structural, ask yourself not, how do I win? But how do I reposition? This distinction separates reaction from mastery. Take a moment now. If this narrative has illuminated something that was previously fog, write in the comments, I see the pattern. Because seeing clearly is the first act of strength. And if you intend to continue building this kind of strategic composure, subscribe not for affirmation, but for formation. What we are cultivating here is not entertainment.